What I'd like to do is give you a quick look at how quick and easy it is to fit our Boathoist sidewinder boat loader to your vehicle. Now the sidewinder is designed to fit to 2 or 3 heavy duty roof racks, your standard 4-wheel drives, dual cab utes, canopies. It'll easily fit onto any of those vehicles. Now the sidewinder is rated for 100 kilo load. It operates off an electric winch that runs off the Anderson plug on your vehicle. The electric winch is the only moving part on it. It's removable, so you can store it out of the weather. And the whole system's been designed for the average handyman to fit very quickly and simply. So what we'll do is we'll give you a quick look at how it goes together. First we need to fit the crossbars to your existing roof racks, and they just clamp in place with these little saddle clamps. The carry rack's an optional extra. If you've purchased one, now's the time to fit it. Now you need to fit the 2 boat support crossbars. Make sure you fit them so as these brackets are facing in towards each other. Now when your boat sits on these, it will sit, the back of the boat will sit about 800 millimetres back from the rear bar. So depending on where you want the back of your boat sitting is going to determine where you position this cross piece. You now need to fit your 2 winch support pieces. This one here with the square section welded at the bottom, that's your winch receiver. That needs to go on the side of the vehicle that's opposite where you're loading. The other one's got the blue slide to guide the rope. That will be on the side of the vehicle that you're going to be loading your boat from. You need to make sure that they'll fit in between the seats of your boat. So just measure the distance between the seats of your boat. Make sure these aren't too long. They'll fit most boats. The only problem boats will be anything under about 3.4 metres. You may just need to trim a little bit off either end. Righto, your electric winch, it's a 1 tonne pulling power, comes with a handheld remote, runs off the Anderson plug on the vehicle, and that just engages straight in there. Right, you've got everything up there. Stand back, have a look at it, make sure everything's sitting where you want it. It's been that quick and easy, hasn't it? You can now just tighten everything up. Don't over tighten it, it's only aluminium. You don't want to over tighten it and crush it. Nice and firm. Then what we need to do is fit our side arms. Right, your sidewinder's fitted to your vehicle. The last step is just to fit the side arms to it. And now the side arms come with an adjustable leg, so they'll suit different vehicle heights. Now make sure that you've got it set up on level ground. You only have to do this once. Once it's set up for your vehicle, that's it, it's all finished. And just screw it off. Righto, all up that should have taken you about 1.5 hours, 2 hours. Your arms just slide off. 1 arm either side. Tighten him up. You're all done. Now that you've got your sidewinder fitted to your vehicle, the final step is to drill 4 holes in these side arms to take the clamp plates. These plates clamp onto the gunnel of your boat and lock it down. No tie downs required, clamp the boat in place. Before using your winch to winch your boat up, make sure that that winch rope is engaged in the eyelet. So each time you go to load your boat up, check it and make sure that it is sitting inside that stainless steel eyelet. The winch point clamps to the gunnel of your boat, so there's no need to drill any holes in your boat. Just position it centrally between the two seats. Hook on, and we can now winch the boat up. Check that the boat's sitting centrally on your sidewinder. Once you're happy with the position, simply mark a line from the inside of the gunnel on all 4 points. You can now unload your boat, and then we can drill the 4 clamp down points. From the point that you've marked the inside of your gunnel, mark in another 30mm on the blue nylon strip. We then just drill a 13mm hole straight through that section for your clamp plate. You can do these steps prior to fitting the cross arms on your vehicle. It's just a matter of positioning these with the 2 winch bars clamped in place at the right width. Sit them on top of your boat, mark and drill it on the ground.